Hi, this is Paul, City Sailing. Welcome back. We have the International Regulation Prevention of Collisions at Sea, lights, quiz time. Okay, we're going to show you some lights, give you a chance to identify them, then give you the answer. Let's go. So we've got a red and a green and a white. What's that? Let's go. It's a power-driven vessel, underway and making way, seen from ahead, under 50 meters. What's this? It's a power-driven vessel, underway, starboard aspect, under 50 meters, and it's a pilot vessel. We know it's a pilot vessel because it's got the white over red, and we remember that from the pilot's white hat and red face. So we've got 2 white lights, a red light, and 3 vertical red lights. So the easy way to do this is to break it down. What would it be without the 3 red vertical lights? And what additional does the 3 red vertical lights mean? Okay, let's go. It's a power-driven vessel, underway and making way, port aspect, over 50 meters in length, and the additional lights are saying that it's constrained by its draft. So we've got a red light, and then we've got a red over white. Let's have a look. So it's a power-driven vessel, underway and making way, port aspect, under 50 meters in length, and it's engaged in fishing. So the red light gives us port aspect. The red over white rhymes with frying tonight. So it's engaged in fishing and not trawling because the top light is red. So we've got a green over white and a green light. Let's have a look. So it's a power-driven vessel, underway, starboard aspect, under 50 meters in length, engaged in trawling, because it's got the green over white, which rhymes with frying tonight. So we got red and the green and the 2 white lights. What's that? It's a power-driven vessel, underway and making way, seen from ahead, over 50 meters in length. Red light. What's that? Let's have a look. It's a sailing vessel, underway, port aspect. We cannot ascertain the size of the sailing vessel, so any sailing vessel will have a red light. If it's a larger sailing vessel, it will probably be showing the all-round red over green. 2 white lights, the left one slightly higher than the right one. Let's have a look. This is a vessel at anchor, port aspect, over 50 meters in length, but under 100 meters in length. So we've got a white light, green light, then a red, white, red. This is a power-driven vessel, underway and making way, starboard aspect because of the green light, under 50 meters in length, and restricted in its ability to maneuver. White light and 2 red lights vertically. Power-driven vessel, aground, aspect unknown, but under 50 meters. So it'll be a vessel not under command with anchor lights. So a vessel not under command with anchor lights is a vessel aground. 2 all-round red lights, one above each other. It's a vessel not under command, underway, but not making way. Aspect unknown. 2 white lights vertically above each other and a red light. It's a power-driven vessel, underway, port aspect, less than 50 meters in length. Towing, length of tow is less than 200 meters. So we have it builds up. So we have a power-driven vessel under 50 meters in length, which would be 1 white light and the red light, add another light if we're towing. But as the tow is under 200, we don't add a third white light. 2 red lights vertically and a red light. Powder and vessel, underway, port aspect, under 50 metres, not under command. Red and a green, 2 white lights and an additional red, white, red. Power-driven vessel, underway, seen from ahead, over 50 metres in length, restricted in its ability to manoeuvre. 3 white lights and a green light. Should be able to work this out from the previous question. So power-driven vessel, underway, starboard aspect, less than 50 metres in length, towing, and the length of tow is more than 200 metres. Well done. We finished this quiz on the lights, so I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you could like and subscribe, we really appreciate it. We've got loads more tutorial videos and tests and mock exams, and if you go to citysailing.com, we've got some more light-hearted and more fun videos. This is us sailing in the Holy Loch in Scotland. We love all sorts of sailing, and hopefully we'll join you soon in the classroom or on the water. Up until then, take care. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye. Out.